a difference between like and love. Because I like my Skechers, but I love my Prada backpack.
Bianca Stratford is the most popular girl at Padua High.
You're asking me out?
I'm down. I've got the 411, and you are not going out and getting jiggy with some boy. I don't care how dope his ride is.
Her sister, Kat, is something else entirely.
People perceive you as somewhat tempestuous. Heinous witch is the term used most often.
The only thing they have in common
I am the only girl in school who's not dating.
Oh, yeah. Your sister doesn't date.
is one simple rule.
Okay, you can date. And she does.
What if she's a mutant? What if she never dates?
And you'll never date. Oh, I like that.
For Cameron,
No one will go out with her.
it's a problem.
Would any of you be interested in dating Katarina Stratford?
Maybe if we were the last two people alive. I know no goats. Are there goats?
For Patrick,
And what about him? I heard he ate a live duck once.
everything but the beak and feet. It's a challenge.
So you two are going to help me tame the wild beast.
Absolutely. And for Kat, it's about time.
Come on, think about it. Me with my arm around you.
You covered in my vomit.
I'd like to spend tomorrow night with you. Now, as you know, it's the prom.
Touchstone Pictures presents
So cool, bro. Next year.
a story for every guy who's ever tried.
You never give up, do you?
Was that a yes?
No!
Was that a no?
No!
Every girl who's ever hoped.
You're not as vile as I thought you were.
This is not good.
And anyone who's ever been taken completely by surprise.
She kissed me.
Where?
In the car.
Concentrating awfully hard considering it's gym class.
10 Things I Hate About You.